Hello YouTubers and YouTubies, NorthCoastT here. So I picked up another project. Hope this camera's coming out smooth because on my side it's not. It's actually pretty decent looking. 88,000 miles on it. Looks like somebody was living in it. It's pretty nasty. It's got a blue hood and it's got a little bit of damage up front. I guess it was an encounter with a deer. So, wish me luck with this one. It's a 2002 Grand Marquis. Love these Panther platform. So, no real rust to speak of. Underneath is pretty clean as well. But definitely gonna need some work. Thank you for checking out my channel. Please give it a like and a subscribe. And I hope you have a great day.